Alright, today we're in Southlake, Texas, and in this video I'm just going to show you how we do a kitchen cabinet crown molding installation and just some tips on how to do it. So this is the crown we're going to use for the kitchen cabinets. It's a stained grade maple. Now before I make any cuts with the actual crown, I want to use some just cheap sample pieces, MDF, to check all the angles on the kitchen cabinets before I cut this expensive stuff up and waste it. So I have an outside 45 sample, an inside 45 sample, and two inside 22 samples. Now I'm going to make sure that these fit on the cabinets. So when you're checking these inside corners on the cabinets, the first thing you want to do is figure out the drop. And what I mean by that is how far does the crown come down off the wall. These are dead on. Right there you can see it's a perfect match. Over here right on the pencil line. You're cutting this crown. This is my pencil line right here. You can also see it on the back side right here. If you're not sure where the saw is going to cut down on the crown, it's best to just ease up to it. And what I mean by that is cut a little bit away from it where you know you're not going to get on your line like this. And kind of ease the blade to it. There's my line right there. I can probably come up like another half blade to it. And that's what you want to see right there. Just right on the line. Just kind of halfway cut the line in half. You definitely don't want to be short, so at least give yourself some room on the line. Now I need thing you're going to need is glue. CA glue is what we use, and one of these pins. It's just a stain pin to kind of color the inside of those cuts that aren't really the same color as the stain. Just like that. So whenever these two pieces come together, if there is a little bit of the cutting, like you can see like right there, if I had a piece that was a little off, all that would be like, you know, like a bright wood, fresh wood color. So now you can really see how it would be a lot darker. Just like that. So I'm going to do that to every piece and then glue it. Alright, so after you got your edges stained, you just want to take your glue And what I always like to do before I glue something or even put glue on is just kind of dry fit the piece to the cabinet itself and dry fit the piece to its partner piece. Just like that. Just to kind of make sure I know that it's going to be perfect, you know? Just like this. Just run a bead along it. Like that. Spray. Yeah. Nice and late. We'll go 30. Oh yeah, I have. Alright, so there's a kitchen cabinet crown molding installation. Hopefully you found something that will help you while you're doing yours. It's pretty basic, but it just does so much more for the kitchen to have that crown on top of the cabinets.